Hello shoppers! If you are looking for a nice charging station, I would highly recommend you to try this. Looks like this, it's very nicely designed, it's also compact and won't take much space. It also comes with the charging port, USB-A to USB-C, and 50-watt fast charging adapter. This charging station is compatible with iPhone, Apple Watch, and Airpods. It's also compatible with Samsung Galaxy. It's also designed with nice anti-slip rubber pads on the bottom and vents on the bottom and at the back, so it will prevent your devices from overheating. And it's also designed with oversurge, overcurrent protection and others, so you can be sure your devices are safe while you're using this charging station. It is a great choice. Quality is wonderful. It allows you to charge 3 devices at the same time, which is very convenient, and it looks great. You can always take it with you to go. You can use it at home or in the office. I like this product very much.